We have a STC-1206NC in display, emergency stop, pull out, power up button. In display, we have our grinding wheel to turn it on. Here's our coolant, and here's our regulating wheel to turn on. We have a regulating wheel to variation, RPM, and it goes all the way to 300. We have two dressers. This is for the regulating wheel, and this is for the grinding wheel. To be able to control these, we have an apparatus here. Activate, you see a mechanism start to move. You want to control, minimize the speed, you have a lever out here on the end. Once it stops and you want to return, you return the lever and you see the dresser return. Vice versa, we have one for the grinding wheel as well. It'll be this one. And this would be to activate it. Again, quick, minimize the speed. Once it's done, you want to return it, then go ahead and return it. You want to come take a look in the back. Here are your pressures. We've made an indication of where they should be. So if you need to reduce it or pick it up, this one will be for this one, this one will be for this one, and I'll go ahead and show you. Vice versa, as well as over here. Pick it up, minimize the pressure, lock in. Our hydraulic return hose, your A axis and B axis, and then we have another return hose for your apparatus of your dressing. We also indicated your pressure here. This is a 1 horsepower motor, and we use spindle oil.